Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Holbrook and this is Baby Echo. Let's get our warm-up started. W, W. W-H, W. Z, Z. S, S. S-Bugs, Z. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-K, honk, onk. Let's sing our vowels. A, apple, a. Yes, these are short vowels. Very good. E, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, Good work. And for our vowel teams that we focused on, O-A, boat, O. O-E, toe, O. O-W, snow, O. O-W, plow, ow. O-U, trout, ow. O-U, soup, ooh. O-O, school, ooh. O-O, book, U-E, blue, ooh. U-E, rescue, ooh. E-W, chew, ooh. A-U, August, aw. A-W, saw, aw. Awesome job. And R controls. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, And for our trick word of the day, my friends, I will read you the sentence. The word is there. I went to their home for lunch. Can you find it? It's the noisy TH. It's the only one that starts that way. There it is bigger. You're right, we do know a different kind of there. T-H-E-R-E. That means a place, like over there. This there means that it's somebody's possession. And a trick to remember it is it's got the word he in it. Like, it's theirs. Whose is it? It's his. It's he. It's a person. Tells you it's theirs. So that can help you remember that what this there means, and that the HE goes together, and then the IR. This can be a very tricky trick word. Okay, my friends, let's do our trick word writing. Sky writing. Here we go. T-H-E-I-R. There. On the table. T-H-E-I-R. There. And now for our trick word race. Try to beat Baby Echo. Word. Work. Mr. Mrs. Ben. Own. Want. Where. One. Said. By. Also. Into. Come some. Would, could, should. Her, over. Number. Friend. Other. Another. None. Nothing. People. Month. Little. Well, that's not a trick word. All right, my friends, nice job with those. And for today's new learning, we are going to be looking at words that have two syllables again, and then have a different suffix, words that have ES at the end. So, without further waiting, here we go. A little warm-up with one-syllable words. So what's the base word? Bush. Whole word? Bushes. Base word? Flash. Whole word? Flashes. Base word? Toss. Whole word? Tosses. Good, don't forget, some of you need to tap and some of you might not. Let's try this one with tapping. Wax, wax, waxes. Now, who remembers when it's ES? We already did S at the end, but when is it ES? When a word ends in what? When it ends in SH, when it ends in S, when it ends in X, and when it ends in Z or CH. Those are the times we do ES ending. Okay, let's try a few more. Now, some of these words might have some tricky vowel teams. like this word right here, this says A. So what's this first syllable? Paint. Paint. Let's tap out this one. Brush. Brush. What's the whole word? Paintbrush. Add the suffix es. Paintbrushes. More than one paintbrush. Good. Let's try a couple more. This one has an O-O vowel, team. You know O-O school oo or O-O book This O-O says ooh, so let's tap it. Ooth. Tooth. Tap out the next one. Brush. Brush. Put it together. Toothbrush. Toothbrushes. How many toothbrushes are in your bathroom? Okay. Oh, this first one, this is a trick word we learned. Who knows that trick word? Work. All right, now let's tap out this syllable. B-ench. Bench. Put it together. Workbench. Add the suffix. Workbenches. In the high school, you can take shop where you learn how to build things out of wood, and there's a lot of workbenches in the classroom. Okay, one more. What's the first syllable? Sun. Second syllable? Glass. Word? Sunglass. Add the ending? Sunglasses. I like your sunglasses. Nice job, everybody. And now we're going to get ready to write some one-syllable words and two-syllable words with an ES ending. Here we go. Get your material. Let's start with a one-syllable word. Repeat after me. Rushes. Base word, rush. Okay, let's build rush and then make it say rushes. Shh. Good. Now what's the rule? If it ends in SH, it's not S, it's ES. Rushes. And now to mark it. Underline the base word. Circle the suffix. Excellent. Let's spell it away. R-U-S-H-E-S. Okay, one more with one syllable. Try lunches. What's the base word? Lunch. Then more than one, make it say lunches. Pause here so you can work on it. Okay, now you can check yours to mine. Ooh. Ch, 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 ch. Lunch. And now I'm going to make it say lunches, more than one. Lunches. Great. Underline the base word. Circle the suffix. Yes, because it comes after the CH. And let's spell it away. L-U-N-C-H. Okay, and now one two-syllable word for you. Repeat after me. Mattresses. What's the base word? Mattress. Let's tap it out. Mat. At. Good. Mat. Tress. Don't forget the rule. If S is at the end after a short vowel, we need two S's, right? Awesome. That says mattress. Wow, what a big word. And now, if we're going to have more than one, we have to add our ES because S is at the end. There you go, guys. Mattresses. How many mattresses do you have? Mattresses. All right, and that's going to be our last word for today, my friends. Great job, everybody. Keep working hard and reading. Have a good one.